So today we'll be discussing about Housecall Pro. On a platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here and search for Housecall Pro. And after that, you have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on this agency or any of your sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts at the same time as well. Continue with that. Allow and install. It is successfully installed as you can see. Now back towards the agency level. Loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed Housecall Pro. Choose that one. Here we are on the sub account now. The next step will be to configure the API key of your Housecall Pro account into the platform. In the navigation bar, you can find for app configuration and search for Housecall. Here it is. You have to get it configured. To do that, so you have to set up your Housecall Pro account and set up your API key here and submit with that. As you can see, it is successfully configured now. Now we will be moving forward towards the workflow builder to check on the actions are working correctly or not. Head over towards the automations. Now we will be creating workflow. Start from scratch. Here we are in the builder now, and we have to create a new action. Find for house call. Here it is. These are the variety of actions offered by Housecall Pro into the platform. Get company, get invoice, get job, create lead, get customer, create customer. Let's just choose get company. Let's just name any and save this action. We are setting an example right now, so that's why I'm doing this one. And create some notes with that. Find for custom values. And here it is Housecall Pro, get company, the name. Add some text and save this one as well. Now we will be testing our workflows. Choose any of your contact to test on, run the test, and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, with the nodes, the action is successfully executed now. It is simpler and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.